The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Dallas County in north central Texas, southeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:36 p.m. Central Standard Time, emergency management reported several roads that had been closed due to flooding in the area, especially across portions of northeast Dallas County. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are forecast. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Additional road closures are expected as thunderstorms with heavy rain continue to remain in the area. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Arlington, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Carrollton, Richardson, Mansfield, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Wiley, Duncanville, Lambulk Springs, University Park, Sachse, and Addison. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.